Well, Acme is the goods, and these shoes should be the goods. This is the Q90 last, and this is my first hole cut from Acme. I picked out a patina that I liked on another pair of shoes that I saw, sent that to them, and they delivered. I've seen pictures of these, but this is my very first time opening and handling the shoes. So they're in these beautiful tweed bags. Like always, Acme, just beautiful bags. Love the patch on them. And take a look at that. That's just a beautiful hole cut. Now, I had gone through my typical indecision with these, trying to decide whether or not I wanted seamless hole cuts or not. Now, the hole cuts for these were $1,650 or $1,680. And as I looked at getting them without this one seam, it would have been $800 more. And, you know, obviously, I mean, the way they make them is totally different and takes a lot of time. It's very, very difficult. And so I respect that, you know, they charge what they charge, and it certainly makes sense. But from a do I want to pay for it perspective, I made the decision that I was not going to. Now, see, I got a beveled wrist this time instead of a fiddleback. Okay. And just absolutely incredible feeling leather, incredible feeling lining, and very hard to see stitch density because there's so few stitches because it's only one piece of leather. Now this last is incredible. Look at the way the light shines off of that. Look at the way it carves out. So now they recommended I take the same size as this as I did on the split toes. So I'm very anxious to see how these fit, but they're beautiful, beautiful shoes, and just can't say enough good things about them. They look just incredible. So very excited. Just a very short unboxing, and we'll see how they fit in an upcoming video.